We are so glad you made the choice to call StoneHouse Foundation Repair for your inspection. We wanted to send over this quick video to give you a better idea about what you can expect during the inspection process. On the day of your appointment, one of our foundation experts will give you a call or text to let you know when they're on their way. Your foundation expert will arrive promptly at the scheduled time driving a StoneHouse Foundation Repair truck, so you know exactly who's coming to your house. The inspector will then do a visual inspection of the interior and exterior of your home. They will be looking for signs of damage that can point towards foundation issues. The inspector will then use a CompuLevel to measure the elevations of your foundation and record all of the measurements. Once the inspector gathers all the necessary information, they will send it over to our main office where we will put together a proposal along with a detailed drawing of your home's foundation. Typically, you will have your written estimate within 48 hours. Thank you again for choosing StoneHouse Foundation Repair. We look forward to offering you our 5-star service.